Revolut and Trade Republic are two financial apps with different primary purposes. Revolut is an all-in-one money app for daily spending, international transfers, and budgeting. Trade Republic is a focused investment platform for building long-term wealth through stocks and ETFs. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both apps. Revolut is designed as a modern digital banking alternative. You use it for paying in stores, online shopping, sending money to friends, and especially traveling abroad. The app supports spending in over 150 countries and holding more than 30 currencies, making international transactions straightforward. It also includes budgeting tools, savings accounts, and investment features, though these are secondary to its core spending and transfer functions. Trade Republic is built specifically for investing in stocks, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. The app is streamlined and focused, with features like automated savings plans and fractional shares starting from €1. It offers interest on uninvested cash and a Visa card with a 1% saveback feature that returns cash into your investment plan. The app is deliberately stripped down to minimize distractions and make long-term investing simple. Key comparison points. Primary focus. Revolut focuses on everyday money movement, spending, and international transfers. Trade Republic focuses on long-term investing and wealth building. Spending and transfers. Revolut offers free peer-to-peer transfers between users, multi-currency accounts, and competitive exchange rates for international spending. Trade Republic offers a Visa card for spending with 1% saveback into investments, but its core purpose is not daily spending. Investment options. Revolut provides access to over 4,000 stocks and ETFs with fractional shares starting from €1 trade. Republic offers a broader selection of over 8,000 stocks and 1,800 ETFs with free automated savings plans. Cost structure. Revolut offers a free standard plan with paid tiers that add higher limits and extra features. Trade Republic charges no monthly subscription and a flat €1 fee per trade that is not part of a savings plan, with savings plans being free. Choose Revolut if you need an app for daily money management, travel spending, and sending money to friends. It is best suited for users who value convenience and borderless spending over deep investment features. Choose Trade Republic if your goal is long-term investing and building wealth through stocks, ETFs, and automated savings plans. It is best suited for users who want a clean, focused investing tool without distractions. Conclusion. Revolut is better for daily money movement and convenience. Trade Republic is better for long-term investing and wealth building. Many users find value in using both apps for their distinct roles. The choice depends on whether you need a versatile spending app or a dedicated investment platform.